Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Today is mini Monday, so happy Monday, you guys. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I will update you guys on the tornado that we had. I will say I do have $30 to play with today. I am using natural lighting. I will always use natural lighting. It is rare when I will be using a ring light, but unfortunately I actually don't have a ring light. Remember last week it broke and now I try to fix it in a getaway. It's so ratchet. You just see it. You just see it. Anyways, I think it's a cute little cute and funny way to like record my video. I don't have to spend money. But yeah, so today is mini Monday, so let's go ahead and get started. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope your weekend was great. So we did get the tornado. I'll be honest with you, we did get the tornado, but thankfully the tornado passed next town to us, which was like 15 minutes away from us, and it did hit bad. It made some damage. Thankfully it looked like no one died or anything like that, but it definitely did do some bad damaging. So yeah, but thank you everybody that checked up on me and send some prayers. Also, I hope everyone that was in that tornado, hopefully everyone is okay and you guys are good, because I know that a lot of people were, especially in Georgia. I personally didn't know that Georgia was getting it until like later that night. But yeah, but thankfully everybody's okay. My family's okay. We're all good, but it did hit the town next to us, and yeah, it was pretty bad. But I'm okay and we're all okay. All right, guys, let's take a cute little thumbnail. Yes, queen. Okay, let me put my little binders here and my little roll of dice. Okay, here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1, cheese. By the way, guys, I have my little Easter Hello Kitty here. You can't tell, but she's so cute. I just thought she just went perfectly. Look, let me show you. I thought she went cute perfectly here on the side. Oh, I love it. I'm obsessed. You guys know I'm obsessed. And then the lighting, the natural lighting, is not giving. It is so beautiful outside though, but it doesn't shine through. Does that make sense? I don't know. All right, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 segment challenges that we have today, and everybody's gonna get $1. By the way, guys, I will be putting the giveaway winner for last video. Ooh, a 6 got a 1. So thank you so much. Another 6. Thank you so much for everybody that entered on my, oh my goodness, another 6. You guys, usually we don't get 6 like that. Okay, a 3 got a 5. So yes. All right, so thank you so much everybody that entered on my giveaway. I appreciate you so much, and I put the giveaway winner right here. Let me know that you won on Instagram. Message me on Instagram and give me your information so I can ship you your goodie. All right, a 2. So I'm still waiting. A 1. I'm still waiting from YouTube to see if I can get approved for YouTube AdSense. I will be updating you guys. No worries at all time. We need a 5, you guys. Come on. Yes. Oh my gosh. Did I manifest that? I probably did. Oh my gosh, that is so ugly. So yeah. So, oh my goodness. Let me know. Did you guys do anything fun this week? Anything exciting? How was your weekend? Let me know. You guys, will be going to do our taxes today, later today. And I'll be happy as long as I don't owe a lot of money. Because I know I have to pay taxes for Etsy, and then if I get anything return, which is not that much, I never get a lot of return, it's probably gonna go towards whatever I'm gonna owe, if that makes sense. But it would be great if I got anything returned back. Even if I got $200, that'd be great. But I don't think so, because it shows that I made a decent amount of money on Etsy last year. So yeah, we will see. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, we have $2, and then this one had a leftover. Oh yay. So we needed 1 more to complete this. So hey, we are doing one cowboy hat. Each cowboy hat is $4, and we're gonna have $1 left over. By the way, guys, my throat is still killing me. I've been taking medicine, teas, I mean, you name it, and nothing really like helps out a lot. But hey, I'm just trying my best not to talk too much like during the day when I'm working, only when it is necessary, and I feel like it helps a little bit. So yeah, but I'm doing good. It's not too bad like before. It was so bad the other day. It was just coughing nonstop. This one got a 5, you guys, and we don't have anything left over, so it got a 5. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me change this $5. Hold on, because I need to change it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's a 5. All right. We gotta make it work. All right, so there's that. Okay, hold on, because I know I don't have a 5 on that one. So okay, so we can do a 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And we have $2 left over for the next one. And this is the cute little mini or micro that you can get on Etsy, on my shop. Love it. So cute. Okay, we need 2 more and we're gonna be done with this one. Oh my goodness, you guys. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, awesome. So we have $2 left for next time, and we only need 1 more to complete another one. So we're definitely gonna do it on Wednesday. There's no way. Well, I hope so. All right, next, this one here, it got 5, 6, 7, and there's $1 left from last time. Okay, let's see. Ooh, we can do a 6. 5, 6, and we're gonna have a 2 left. So let's do that 6. OMG, we need 2 more too. Oh my goodness. Hopefully on Wednesday. Look, hopefully on Wednesday. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, awesome sauce. Love it, love it. Because I'm happy. Got the cologne if you feel. Okay, sounds like a deal. Okay, awesome sauce. By the way, guys, you know how, like, I think it was my last video that I posted and I said I'm not putting on a sweater or a cardigan because it was hot. Girl, tell me why it's so freaking cold today. Windy as well. I'm like, oh my goodness, who understands this weather? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I got a 5. So we're gonna do a 4 and a 1. So that's a 5. Yes. 1 and 2. We need 3 more to be done with this one. Love it. Oh snap. What did I do? Uh-oh. Yeah, I think I got a 5. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, 5 and the 1 that I had. I was like, oh no, did I F it up now? Did I mess it up too? I'm like, no. See, this is why I don't like to talk much and do this, because I get distracted and I'm like, what am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. All right, this one got only $1, but that's okay because it does have $1. We do have $1. So let's add $1. Yay. This one will save us 25. So that's exciting. All right. Awesome. And last but not least, I knew I was not going to complete anything today because I just started them. But I'm excited because they're smaller. And smaller wins do help, believe it or not. Okay. This one got probably the most. I don't even know. Yeah, look at that. All right. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. It got a 10, you guys. So 3, 6, 9, and a 10. Okay. Ooh, look at that. We're doing good. We're doing good. All right, there you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Love you guys so much. Appreciate all the love and support. Keep you guys posted on my YouTube AdSense. It's probably going to take the 2 to 3 weeks, like I said, which sucks. I feel like it's going to be eternity. But it's okay. It's a really nice little milestone. So yeah, All right, guys, tomorrow is going to be Tuesday, and we're gonna be back here tomorrow for Cash Stuffing Tuesday. I love it because I feel like I'm gonna complete some of my bill and rent binder, because it was a good day on Sunday. It was beautiful. It was a great day. It was BC. I got some parties, and yeah, it was really good. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I appreciate your love and your support, and for spending your precious time with me, because your time is precious. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, you guys. Bye. I love you.